Hey everybody, here's a quick video on getting your Google Classroom set up the right way. So first step, log into Google Classroom, click the plus button in the top right corner, and click Create a Class. Now the absolute most important thing you can do with naming your class is being specific. I like to start with the teacher name and the section of the class, and the subject, so there's absolutely no confusion when your students are looking at the class cards in Google Classroom. They know exactly who's teaching it, what section it is, and what the subject is. These other three fields are completely optional. I like to include the room so that has some more context for the kids, but you can leave them blank if you want, and hit create. So this will create your classroom. So once your classroom is created, let's get the student post settings set up so you can control what and where the students post and comment on. To do that, click on the settings gear in the top right corner and go down here to the general area and look at the stream line. Right now it's set up so students can post and comment on the classroom stream and assignments. That is a very open setting and not really the best practice for our K-8 students. The best practice we like to employ at the beginning is only teachers can post or comment. So the first week of school, we like to have this setting up so we can get procedures and routines in place for how to comment successfully in Google Classroom. Once you have those procedures and routines established, you can switch this so students can only comment at any time. Also, in order to help keep our kids' classroom streams organized, we like to choose to hide notifications on the stream. We generally like to use the stream just for announcements for the class that day, so we choose hide notifications. Again, if you want to change it so kids get condensed notifications about assignments and announcements in class, or you can go full-blown and have attachments and details about all the assignments and announcements in class, you can do that at any time. But our best practice is we like to hide notifications. So that's it. Hit save, and you are on your way. The last thing you can do to get your classroom set up is to select a theme. So you can do that by clicking the Select Theme button here, and you have a bunch of subjects and themes to choose from your heart's content. If you want to upload your own theme, you can click Upload Photo and upload a photo from your computer and customize your theme even more that way. So if you want to put a picture of yourself or a Bitmoji classroom, upload photos where you go. So that's it. Now you've got your Google Classroom set up for success.